Vancouver's November market update.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Hey everyone, it's Sunny. Welcome to Sunny in Van, where Vancouver real estate truly shines. On today's episode, we're going to be looking into Vancouver's market and see where the prices are. This would include detached homes, as well as townhomes and apartments across Vancouver, North Vancouver, Vancouver East, and through in Surrey as well. Now, before we get onto the show, disclaimer alert, the content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial or professional advice. With that being said, let's get right into it. Hey everyone, we are here at Stats Center, Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver's little dashboard that you can see here with all the charts. And we will go through all the variables that we have. And let's just see where we are when it comes to pricing. Now, this is as of October 2023. I know that I'm saying November 2023 market update. However, this is where we are today, and the stats are from October, and we will see where we think it may go. All property types, and we're going to go with medium sales price, and we're going to go one by one. Vancouver is in green, Vancouver East is in blue, North Vancouver is in orange, and I threw in Surrey, which is purple, magenta, and let's get started. Vancouver's medium sales price is roughly at 1.153 million, and that's an increase of 11% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at 1.17 million, which is up by 27%. That is phenomenal. Again, this is all property types though. North Vancouver is at 1.364 million, and it is up by 14.3% compared to last year. And Surrey is at 912,000, up by 14.8% compared to last year. Now let's move over to detached homes. If we look at Vancouver, as of October 2023, we're looking at $2.588 million for a medium sales price home, and that is up by 7.9% compared to last year. It looks like Vancouver East is at 2.045 million, up by 19.9%. That is huge. That's a great increase. So if you had an investment property there or you're holding on to that, that's 19.9%, roughly 20%. What does that mean? Let's just say your property was worth $1 million a year ago. It should be worth roughly 1.2 million right now. That's $200,000 that if you were to sell that you could potentially make. Let's move on to North Vancouver. Right now it's at $2 million, up by 1.9%, not a whole lot compared to last year. And Surrey is at 1.437 million, up by 6.5% compared to last year. Let's move over to apartments. Vancouver, you're looking at $776,000, up by 1.4% compared to last year. Vancouver East is at $700,000, up by 6.9% last year. And North Vancouver at $828,000, up by 26.5%. That is incredible. Surrey is at $572,000, and it is up by 4.2% compared to last year. And if we move over to townhomes, Vancouver is sitting at 1.27 million, down by 2.3% compared to last year. Vancouver is at 1.1 million, and that is at 4.9% increase compared to last year. North Vancouver, again strong, it is sitting at 1.477 million, up by 18.2%. North Vancouver is looking like a very hot market lately. Surrey's at 794,000, up by 3.1% compared to last year. Now I'm just going to quickly go back to detached homes, and let's see where Vancouver was before October. So if we look at September 2023, Vancouver is at 2.35 million, and look at that steep increase to 2.588 million for these detached homes. And if we look at North Vancouver, slight increase from 2 million to like 2,050,000, not a whole lot of an increase over here. And Vancouver East, it looks like there is a sharp increase right here from 1.88 to roughly $2 million right now. If you look at the trend of Surrey looks like it is on the decline. So we are at apartments right now, And if we look at North Vancouver, it looks like there's a slight decrease from September 2023 to October. And if you look at Vancouver, same thing, it's gone slightly lower. Vancouver East looks like it increased, and Surrey has increased. And if we look at townhomes here, it looks like, again, Vancouver has increased quite a bit. So North Vancouver, from 1.295 million to now 1.477 million in 1 month. That's incredible. And you can see the opposite when it comes to Vancouver. Vancouver from September was at 1.447 million, and it's gone down to 1.272 million. Same thing with Vancouver East. It has gone down since of September 2023. It was at 1. Almost 2 million, and now you're sitting at 1.1 million. Surrey has not have that much of a decrease, but it still is a decrease. Went from 852,000 down to 794,000. So there you can see the trend for 10 years. Now we're going to go back to 3 years. And let's just see what happened to detached homes here. So if we were in September of 2022, it looks like everything increased when it came to October, except for Surrey. But from October to November, so November's market prediction, we don't know if it's going to happen, but let's just look at the stats. It looks like October to November had a decrease in Vancouver, as well as North Vancouver. Looks like Vancouver East maybe flatlined a little bit, and Surrey went down. Let's go back to September of 2022 when it comes to apartments. It looks like there was a deep dive when it came to North Vancouver going into October, and it looks like that Vancouver slight decrease. However, Vancouver East, it looked like when it went from September to October, there was an increase, as well as Surrey. However, from October to November, Vancouver decreased significantly. October 2022 to November of 2022, when it came to North Vancouver, that was an incredible increase. Look at that. That was at 655,000 for apartment in North Vancouver in October 2022, went all the way up to $805,000 from October to November. That's almost $150,000 increase within a month. That is incredible. Vancouver East looks like it declined when it came to November. And when it comes to Surrey, October to November, it was a decline as well. So if we're looking at that, it looks like maybe November might not be the greatest month, unless you're North Vancouver, looks like. However, we'll see how November turns out when we have the numbers out in December, and we could always look at that. Now, another thing that we want to quickly look into is days on market. What it means by days on market is how long does a home typically stay on the market before it gets sold. Vancouver looks like at 12 days. Vancouver East is 9 days. North Vancouver is 9 days, and Surrey is 17 days. So it looks like Surrey is taking the longest to sell a detached home. If we go into the apartments, Vancouver is taking 11 days to sell. Vancouver East is 9 days to sell. North Vancouver is 7 days to sell, and Surrey, again, 19 days to sell. When we look at townhomes, Vancouver is taking 12 days to sell. Vancouver East is 15 days to sell, and North Vancouver 8 days to sell, and Surrey 20 days to sell. It looks like townhomes are the longest it takes to sell, and when it comes to detached and apartments. So now let's go to listings. So all the new listings that have come on the market in October. So for Vancouver, there's 324 brand new listings, and that is an increase of 20% compared to last year. That's quite a bit of people that are listing now. Vancouver East, wow, it is at 168 new listings, which is up by 37.7% compared to last year. North Vancouver has 132 new listings in October, and that is up by 23% compared to last year. And Surrey is at 195 new listings, which is up by 43% compared to last year. However, is this because the interest is still high and a lot of renewals are happening? So that means a lot of people's mortgages may be doubled, tripled, quadrupled. It could be that much more expensive because a lot of people is not like their salary doubled, tripled. So their cost of living has gone up, their mortgage is going to go up, and maybe they need to get out. If you're someone that's going to feel the pinch, make sure you reach out and we can come up with a plan that's going to really help you out that you can take your profits and reinvest it when the time is right. Now, let's go into apartments. When it comes to apartments, Vancouver has 961 new listings as of October 2023, which is an increase of 18% compared to last year. Vancouver East has additional 243 new listings, up by 21% compared to last year. North Vancouver is at 157 new listings of October 2023, down by 4.3%. And Surrey, wow, up by 66 new listings, and that is up by 46.7% compared to last year. That is incredible. Let's look at townhomes. Vancouver has 156 new townhomes listed in October 2023, which is up by 30% compared to last year. Vancouver East is 61 new listings and up by 32.6% compared to last year. Vancouver has 65 new listings, up by 4.8% compared to last year. And Surrey is at 146 new listings as of October 2023, up by 17.7%. All right, now let's look at some sales as well. And we'll go back to Detached. There were 149 sales of detached homes as of October 2023, which is an increase of 15.5% compared to last year. Vancouver East has 78 sales of homes of October 2023, up by 41.8%. That's pretty hot right there. North Vancouver has 49 sales as of October 2023, down by 4.8%. And Surrey is up by 55 sales compared to last year. That is 41%. So 55 sales of October 2023, however, increased of 41% compared to last year. That is a hot market. Vancouver, when it comes to apartments, there were 332 sales as of October 2023, but a decrease of 1.5% compared to last year. Vancouver East, there were 101 sales of apartments in October 2023, and a decrease of 1.9% compared to last year. North Vancouver had 98 apartments sold as of October 2023, up by 12.6% compared to last year. And Surrey had 22 apartments sold last month, down by 15.4%. Wow, that is a decrease. And let's move over to townhomes. It looks like Vancouver had 66 sales last month, which is October 2023, up by 94.1% compared to last year. That is amazing. Vancouver East had 25 homes, or sorry, I should say townhomes sold October 2023, which is last month, but it's up by 177.8%. That is phenomenal. That blows all these numbers away. When it comes to North Vancouver last month, October 2023, there were 34 sales of townhomes, decrease of 17.1% compared to last year. And when it comes to Surrey, there's 49 townhomes sold in October 2023, and that is a decrease of 7.5% compared to last year. Well, there you guys go. That is the market update of November 2023, where we look at the stats of October 2023. As you can see, the trends of 5 years as well as 10 years. And I'll quickly go here. You can screenshot this so you can have all the trends of detached homes, apartments, and townhomes. But I'll put it to sales and medium prices so you can always freeze this content and see where this is, and you can see the trend. It's been a pretty big flat line from 2016 until now. So that is roughly, what is that, 7 years? It hasn't been a whole lot of movement within the 7 years. We're kind of like peaking towards where we were. Even if we go back to apartments looks like it went from 2018 to where we are right now to have flatlined. We're maybe passing at some points, but not a whole lot right now, and that is within 5 years. And if we go down to townhouses, it looks like we peaked around January 2022, but that is only Vancouver. But it looks like townhouses, of all the detached homes, apartments, and townhouses, it looks like we had more of an increase here. There was a gradual flat line when it came from March 2017 onwards, and you look at like February 2021 is when you kind of see a little bit of an increase. Pay attention to the market. Don't get into the whole FOMO, fear of missing out. Make sure you talk to a professional. If you don't have anyone in your corner, reach out to us. All right, everyone, that's the end of the show. Thank you so much for taking out your time and watching this episode. Again, we hope this episode brought you a lot of value. Now, there are rumors in the market and there's rumors in the news saying that the interest rates may go down in the future. This is mid 2024. However, nothing is guaranteed. But if the interest rates do go lower, historically speaking, when the interest goes lower, the housing prices go up. So if that is the case and that is the scenario, and if that is how everything is going to play out, you may want to reach out and see where you can put your money and make it work for you in an investment. If this may be the best time to invest, we don't know. However, if the interest rates do go lower and the housing does go up, this may be the best time for you to place your money. Maybe it's a pre-sale, maybe it's a resale, apartment, condo, townhouse, whatever it may be, because at some point, if the interest does go lower, the prices go higher, and it's going to be that much harder to get into a home for yourself, an investment, whatever it may be. So pull your money together, reach out to your mortgage brokers, the specialists you may have, go to the banks, see what you can afford right now, and maybe get pre-approved. And when it's ready, the timing is right, make that leap of faith and get right into it, and make sure that you can secure your financial future. Now, if you need help with any of this, if you're looking for investment property, cash flow property, looking for a home, a dream home, let's just say, reach out to us. I'm here to help. You can see all my contact information in the description below. You can email us, you can call us. We're here to help you out. We'll answer all your questions, and we will make sure we guide you on the right path with your real estate journey. With that being said, Sunny out.